Hello students, last time I discussed exercise 8.2 up to question number 1 up to 2. 1, 2. Now today I am going to start question number 1, 3. Exercise 8.2. Number 1, question number 1, number 3. Cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos sec 30 degree. Cos sec 30 degree. And what is cos 45 degree? That is equal to 1 by root 2. And sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. Cos 30 degree is 2. It is 1 by root 2. Root 3 take LCM. 2 plus 2 root 3. Then root 2 into 2 root 3 plus 2 into root 3. Root 3 divided by root 2 into, that is equal to 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 into root 3. Then root 3 into 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2. Conjugate and multiply by conjugate both numerator and denominator. Root 2. That is equal to 2 root 18 minus 2 root 6. 2 root 6 whole square, 2 root 2 whole square. That is 2 into 3 root 2 minus 2 root 6. 4 into 6 minus 4 into 2. 6 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by 24 minus 8. It is 16. 8 common, 3 root 2 minus 6. 8, that is equal to 8 3 root 2 minus root 6. This is the answer. Then question number 4. So it is given sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cos sec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Sin 60 degree, 30 degree, tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree, sec 30 degree, cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So you see, sin 30 degree is half, tan 45 1, cosec 60 degree 2 by root 3, sec 30 degree 2 by root 3, cos 60 degree half plus 1. Now take common, that LCM 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. Then it is 2 root 3 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 cancel. Then 3 root 3 minus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3 root 3. Then 3 root 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3, 4 minus 3 root 3. That is 4 square minus 3 root 3 whole square, 12 root 3, then 9, 27, root 3 into root 3, 3 is 9, 9 into 3, and minus 16 plus 12 root 3. And it is equal to 16 minus 27, 24 root 3 minus plus 11. It is equal to minus of 11, 24 root 3 plus 11. Sin 30, tan 45, cosec 60, sec 30, cos 60, tan cot 45. Sin 30 in half, tan 45 1, cosec 60 2 by root 3, sec 30 2 by root 3, cos 60 half, and is cot 45 is 1. Then you take common, take LCM 2 root 3, 2 divided to 3, root 3 into 1 root 3, 2 root 3, 4. Okay? Then it is 2 root 3, 2 to the 4, root 3, 2 root 3. Then it is 3 root 3 minus 4. Then 4 plus 3 root 3. Okay? 4 plus 3 root 3, 4 minus 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4, 4 minus 3 root 3. Then 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 12, 12 root 3. Oh, it is 9, minus 10, 16 plus 4, 12 root 3. Here, 16, so it is minus 3, 4, 43. Minus 43, 11. That is 43 minus 24 root 3. Small mistake. Sorry. Okay. The number 4. Then number 5. Number 5. 5 cos square 60 degree. Cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree. Tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Five cos square 60 degree, 4 sec square 30 degree, tan square 45 degree, sin square 30 degree, cos square 30 degree. That is equal to 5 cos square 60 degree is 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 sec 30 degree 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Sec 30 degree is 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. This is 5 1 by 4 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So this is LCM 4 12 LCM 15 plus 16 into 4 64 minus 12 4 1 plus 3. This is 12 9 79 minus 12 4 by 4 cancel, that is 7 6 12 67 by 12. Okay, this is the answer. Number 2, choose the correct option and justify your choice. Number 2, number 1, 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So 2 tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. It is 2 by root 3, 1 plus 1 by 3. 2 by root 3, 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by root 3, 4 by root 3, 4 by 3. That is 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. 2 cancel, root 3. So that is equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is what? Sine of 60 degree. The correct answer is A. Correct answer is A. next one. Number 2, number 2, 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. That is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole square, 1 plus 1 whole square, 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. This is the answer. Okay? The correct answer is what? Therefore, correct answer is what? D. Now question number 2, 3. Sin twice A equal to 2 sin A is true when A equal to sin twice A equal to 2 sin A is true when A is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree or 60 degree. If A equal to 0 degree, then left hand side equal to sine of 2 into 0, that is sine of 0, that is equal to 0, and right hand side equal to 2 into sine 0, that is 2 into 0, that is equal to 0. If A equal to 30 degree, the left hand side equal to sine of 2 into 30, that is sine of 60 degree, that is equal to root 3 by 2, and right hand side equal to 2 sine 30 degree, that is 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. If A equal to 45 degree, then it is 45 degree, that is equal to 90 degree, that is equal to 1. It is 45 degree, that is equal to 1 by root 2, that is equal to root 2. And if A equal to 60 degree, left hand side equal to sine 2 into 60, sine of 120, we have no value, and right of sine of no table value. Table value. So right hand side 2 into sine of 60, 2 into 1 root 3 by 2, that is equal to root 3. Here we see that if A equal to 0 degree, then left hand side equal to right hand side. If A equal to 30 degree, right hand side, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. A equal to 45 degree, left hand side not equal to right hand side. A equal to 60 degree, left hand side not equal to right hand side. Only if A equal to 0 degree, then left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore, correct answer is what? A. Now Now number 4. On the number 4, two 10 30 degree. One minus 10 square 30 degree. Now 2 10 30 degree 1 by root 3. 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square, that is 2 by root 3, 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by root 3, 3 minus 1 by 3, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2 root 3 2, that is equal to root 3. So it is root 3. So from the given answers, it is equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is 3. Therefore correct answer is C. So these are question number 2, solutions of question number 2. Now come to the question number 3. So if tan a plus b equal to 30 degree root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, 0 degree less than equal to a plus b less than equal to 90 degree, a greater than b, find a and b. So given tan a plus b equal to what? Root 3. Now it is tan a plus b equal to tan of 60 degree. Therefore a plus b equal to 60 degree. Number 1. And tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. This implies tan a minus b equal to tan of 30 degree. Therefore a minus b equal to 30 degree. Number 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2. Now 1 plus 2. That implies a plus b plus a minus b. That is equal to 60 plus 30. That is equal to twice a, then 90 degree. Therefore a equal to 45 degree. So 1 minus 2 is a plus b minus a plus b. That is 60 minus 30. That is equal to twice b equal to 30 degree. Therefore b equal to 15 degree. This is the answer. So question number 4. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Sin a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b. It is false. Because you see that in question number 4, number 1, if a equal to suppose 60 degree, b equal to suppose 30 degree, then a plus b is what? 60 plus 30, that is equal to 90 degree. Therefore sin of a plus b, that is equal to sin of 90 degree, that is equal to 1. And sin a plus sin b and sin a plus sin b that is equal to sine of 60 degree plus sine of 30 degree, that is equal to root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, that is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. This is not equal to 1. Therefore, the answer is false. Answer is false. Number 1 answer to false. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. You see, in 0 degree, 30 degree, number 2, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. The sine value of sine is sin theta is here 0 is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. You see here the value of sine is increases. 0 is less than 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is less than 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is less than root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 is less than 1. That means theta, if theta increases, then sin theta value is increases. Therefore, the one number 2 is the value of sin theta increases as theta increases is true. Number 2 answer is true. Answer is true. Number 3. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. In cos theta, similarly you see in cos theta, if it is cos theta, it is equal to 1, it is equal to root 3 by 2, it is equal to half 0. Then if theta increases, cos theta is decreases. So result is false. Answer is false. Number 4. Sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. So if theta equal to 30 degree and sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 and cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Here you see, if theta is 30 degree, then sin theta value of sin theta and cos theta is not equal. That means sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. It is answer is false. And number 5, if A is 0 degree, cot A, that is cot 0, it is not defined, cot 0 is not defined. Okay? Therefore, answer is true. Answer is true. If cos A is not defined for a cos A. Cos A is not defined, then cos of A equal to cos of A. Cot A, see, cot A. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. Not defined, the answer is true. So these are the solutions of exercise 8.2. The next class I am going to the next chapter, next topic, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Today I stop here, and next class I will discuss trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Students, you should practice all the examples of these chapters in your home. Okay, there stop here. Next class I will discuss trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. Thank you.